From the simplest to the most complex, machines have accompanied men in the transformation of the world by participating in its progress. It's the reason why in Plasma Automation Group we found it natural to continue giving form through them. GPA is a 100% Mexican company founded in 1991. Our mission is to develop technological solutions and innovative quality. Cutting, automation, technical service, construction, marketing, and machining, with the professionalism of our human talent to consolidate ourselves as a national leader with international presence and keep us at the forefront of technology by offering quality products and services. The automation of cutting processes is one of our specialties, as well as the design and manufacture of custom cutting systems, with the highest technology and demands of our customers for different types of cutting processes, such as plasma, water jet, laser, straight cut, beveling, pipe cutting, and drilling. Additionally, we update our obsolete cutting tables, making retrofits with the latest technology. We have a team of qualified and certified engineers who provide coverage throughout the country and abroad, offering the best service of high quality within the shortest time. We have an extensive stock and availability of spare parts to eliminate the downtime of your equipment, and with remote assistance directly to your equipment, as well as personalized assistance from our call center. We bring development, innovation, and advanced technology to an integral mechatronic solution. We specialize in the creation and improvement of productive processes to guarantee the return of your investment, because our human talent is integrated by engineers specialized in the areas of mechatronics, control, robotics, and mechanics, capable of solving any challenge presented to them. Our team of engineers are also specialists in the programming and operation of 3 and 5-axis CNC machining centers. We have processes of quality and laboratory of metrology, as well as machined of high production in series. We also have a business unit highly specialized in steel fabrication, metal structure, building construction, tooling, rack manufacturing, powder coating, black oxide, and sandblast. In GPA, we understand very well the need of the industrial maintenance. Therefore, our services also extend to the design and manufacture of mechanical parts of high urgency with conventional machining. Throughout these years, the experience of our engineers has united with the inventiveness of the young people. Therefore, Cepho Grupa, our project of human talent formation, a space that seeks to boost the talent of the young, guided by the knowledge of our engineers, and thus become the protagonists of innovation. We maintain ties with the most prestigious universities in the region, detonate the skills of our young people together, and become the nest of the engineers who will contribute to the economic growth of our country. The constant activity has allowed us to understand the rhythm in which the world moves, to see the challenges that are coming and the novelties that captivate it. In GPA, we are determined to continue being part of the gear that models the progress, because cutting is giving shape to something, and ever since we raised this company, that has been the purpose, and we do it better than anyone.